Hi, this is Diane Anderson, Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and currently located at 3104 Southeast 6th Avenue in Cape Coral. This is a 1979 built home. Sits on 0.23 of an acre in a convenient area off of Country Club Boulevard. Nice, quiet neighborhood, convenient to everything. Located extremely close to Veterans Parkway, which is the midpoint bridge in Cape Coral. Easy access to Cape Coral Parkway, which is the heart of downtown Cape Coral. So, 2-car garage. Square footage of the home is 2,734 square feet. This home is in need of an interior renovation. As you come in, this is the family room living space area. There's actually 2 of these spaces, which makes it for a nice layout. The slider is actually pocket all the way open, which gives it a much more open feel. So this door and this door over here both do the same thing, overlooking the pool area and the canal. And then your intersecting canal is in this corner right here. Go back out there in a little bit. So the house has 2 master suites, this being one. So large closet area here. Vanity. And into the bath space. Bathtub actually is set down. So coming through the kitchen, your views. You've got a pantry space here, which all of that opens up. And then you also have this living space here. And then to give you a point of orientation, there's the front door. I just walked through the kitchen. And the master bedroom. The number 1 master bedroom is on that side. And then I'm gonna go back to the back part of the house. This is that set of doors that opens all the way open with the view. And then coming in, this is the single bedroom on the first floor. Large bedroom, decent closet. It is not a walk-in closet. You've got a linen space here. It could be converted. Second space, you have an exterior door here. This is master bedroom number 2. Large closet space. Got a large closet space here. And a second closet space on this side. Let me turn the light on. Master bathroom, large walk-in shower space. Nope, no tub on this side, but you do have a whirlpool tub here. Linen closet. With a double sinks. And then coming up, this is the second floor suite. So it has its own doorway entrance here. And then of course it goes straight out to the lanai area and pool. Master bedroom is here, and on this side was the extra bathroom and the extra bedroom, and then the family space. So you've got, you know, some good height here. And coming up to this space, it opens up into a large living space. Easily could add, you know, you've got the sink there. You could easily add additional cabinetry. You've already got your drain set up to make this into a nice space that could be completely functional, overlooking the canal with some nice views, overlooking the intersecting canal. Screen enclosure had just been replaced right before the storm, and of course it had had some problems on the end on that side that need to be rebuilt. Had some structural issue go on with the flat roof on that side, and I'll show you that. And storm damage from that, but no storm surge. I will show you that this trunk right here, the water came up to the other side of that trunk. So it never inundated here on this property. So this is bathroom that goes to this space. And this being a large bedroom space with closet space. This compressor, air handler, it is an original unit. It does need to be taken out. Outside, the compressor was replaced, and it is a 2019 unit outside. So this all needs to come out, and new needs to be put in here. This addition was permitted from what I could find. New electrical panel. Was put in. And I will show you the damage to the flat roof. It was all through here, it was damaged, and then all the way up and through here was damaged. And you can see there is wood rot from leaks from the past. So all this would need to come out and be updated. This is the section of the pool cage that was destroyed, the end of it. It's kind of sagging there, but that could probably be a fairly simple fix. But because of that, it has sagged the screens up on the tub. And you can see that that screen enclosure also needs to be updated with the railing. The seller has never lived in this property. If you notice this wood that there's a problem with, it should have been built at the height of the seawall. So if you, and I will show you, if you look at some of the heights of the dock space, and this is good right here for you to see this one, they are even with the seawall. That's an important differentiator, and you see that all the way down the different docks as you look down the canal. They're all at the same height as the seawall. In this case, when this was originally built, they didn't do it at dock height. I mean, seawall height, right there. They lowered it. So it has, over time, sitting in the water, had the issues with the wood.